Alright, now we are combining everything you've learned so far. You already know how to make the slip knot, adjust your slip knot. You also know how to hold your yarn, and you found out everything you need to know about the hook. Now it's time to combine all of this knowledge to create your first real chain stitches. So let's make the slip knot again. Grab the yarn tail and the working yarn. Put the working yarn over the yarn tail and pinch where they intersect. Then guide the working yarn beneath the loop you just created and pull it out through this loop. Pinch the yarn tail and the working yarn, then pull on the loop to tighten the knot. And here you have it, your slip knot is complete. Now grab your hook and insert it into the loop above the knot. Then pull the working yarn to adjust the size of the loop on the hook. Ensure the loop is tight, but not too tight, as the hook still has to move freely. Then place your hand with the palm facing you and start laying your working yarn over the pinky and ring fingers. Bend those fingers and guide the yarn behind and over the middle finger and index fingers. Then place it onto the middle finger right on the tip and pinch it with your thumb. Now try this. Move your hook over the yarn strand and under it. This way the yarn appears to be over the hook. This motion is called yarn over. Turn the hook slightly down so the yarn stays inside the curved part, the throat. Then pull the hook through the loop on the hook. And before you know it, you've made your first chain stitch. Slide the new loop down to the shaft of the hook so that you can check its size. If it's too loose, tighten it by pulling the working yarn. If it's too tight, loosen it by pulling the hook. Now repeat. Yarn over, twist the hook, pull the working yarn through the loop on the hook, creating your second chain stitch. The loop on the hook doesn't count for a stitch. It is just the working loop. As your hook is getting away from your fingertips, you might want to adjust your hold so that your fingers are closer to the hook, as this will allow for more control over the yarn and the project. So once you get a bit further away, just switch up how you hold the project to be closer to the hook. Then continue. Make 10 chain stitches. Once you complete your 10 chain stitches, move on to the next step to learn how to undo them and fix mistakes.